Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute little zipper pouch. Even if you're a beginner, you can definitely do this. I guide you through every step from the foundation to adding the zipper. So let me show you what you will need for this project. You will need 2 colors of medium weight yarn, a 3.5mm hook, a tapestry needle, a measuring tape, scissors, a few stitch markers, and 11 inches zipper. First make a loop with your fingers. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull the yarn to the loop. Now create a foundation chain in multiple of 6. Make sure your chain is equal to the length of your zipper. So yarn over and pull to the loop to continue making your chains. Once you reach your length, make sure your chain is a multiple of 6. Then add 1 extra chain for turning. Now for the first row, we are going to skip the extra turning chain and make a single crochet into the next chain. So insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. That's our first single crochet of the row. Place a stitch marker here to mark it. Now make 4 more single crochets, 1 in each chain stitch. Now we have 5 single crochets in total. Next, we are going to change the color. Insert your hook into the next chain stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we have 2 loops on your hook. Drop the yarn. Grab your second color yarn. Hold it like this. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. Now your working yarn is the new color. That's how you change the color in your project. Now we are going to work over the grey yarn tail and the pink yarn. So with this new color, make 5 single crochets, 1 in each stitch. Now in the 6th stitch, we are going to change the color back to pink the same way we did before. Make 5 single crochets again. And then change the color in the 6th one. Keep repeating this all the way to the end of the row. I'll see you at the end. I'm done with the first row. Now for the second row, make a chain 1 and turn your work. This chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Now you are going to do the same thing you did in the first row. In my case, I make 5 single crochets in pink. Make sure to place a stitch marker on the first stitch. Then change the color on the sixth one. I forgot to mention, before starting the second row, you can cut the gray yarn you were carrying or whatever color you are using. And then make 6 single crochets again with the gray color. Then again I change the color. Keep repeating this to the end. At the end of the row, remove the stitch marker and make the last single crochet of the row. Now cut the gray yarn. Now you need to make 4 more rows like this, and I'll show you the next step after that. Now that we have done 4 more rows, we have 6 rows in total. You can see the checkered pattern forming. And we are going to make another 6 rows switching colors. On top of the pink square, we will make a gray one. I'll change my color at the last stitch of row 6. Then I just continue the pattern like before. I have finished 2 square lines now. Just keep going like this until your pouch is as tall as you want. I made mine about 12 inches tall. We won't be changing colors anymore. Just finish your last stitch with the working yarn. and fasten off. You can also cut the other color yarn now, then hide and trim all your yarn tails. Now I'm going to add the zipper. I'm placing my zipper at the corner and I'm starting from the back side. You have to continue like I'm doing until this side is fully joined. After you finish, cut your yarn leaving a short tail. Then repeat the same steps to join the other side. After finishing everything, close the left and right side of the pouch using slip stitches or a yarn needle. I insert my hook through both layers. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Then yarn over again and pull through the loop. Next, insert your hook again, yarn over, pull through both layers and then through the loop. Continue this until the side is fully joined. Finally, chain 1 and fasten off. Now do the same to close the other side. Now it's all finished. If you have any yarn tails left, make sure to hide them all. You need to save this two part of the zipper so it doesn't move. Now your zipper pouch is ready. I hope you will give it a try. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel so I can bring you more tutorials. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I will bring you another tutorial next week.